This is bacon wrapped asparagus, cooked in the air fryer. It took 12 minutes. It's really easy to make. It's a great side dish. Bacon wrapped asparagus with a nice crispy coating on it. We're going to do it in the air fryer today. So I've got some asparagus which I've already cleaned, but if you don't know how to snap off the ends, what you do is it just goes naturally like that. So it takes about, and you'll just see it just breaks off maybe about 1.5 inches, 2 inches. Now what I've done is I've started the air fryer, and 325 degrees, 330 degrees. We're just going to preheat it. This calls for 7 asparagus spears per person. And normally the best part on the asparagus are the tips, but actually this part here is very nice in this recipe. There, I split that into 7 and 7. And I pre-made my spicy aioli sauce. This is really good with it. And I put it in the fridge for about 2-3 hours to let the flavors meld. So I've got some nice wide bacon here, and I'm going to wrap it and pin it with some toothpicks. There you go, we're all pinned in. It's for 2. Now I've got some balsamic vinegar here. The recipe for this is below in the comments section. I'm just going to take a basting brush. It's about a tablespoon. I'm just going to hit the bacon and the asparagus tips with that. Right into the tips. Oh, it smells great. I'm going to take some flour. It's a couple of tablespoons of Carbalose flour, but you can use almond flour if you like. And I'm just going to kind of dust it on top. Just like that. Just kind of pat it in. Okay, and I've got 1 beaten egg, which I'm going to put into this bowl right here. And I've got some crushed pork rinds. This is something called Preheat. I just found this in Walmart, and it's already crushed up in a convenient little bottle. Really inexpensive and kind of handy. So I've got that, and I've got some Parmesan cheese. And this Parmesan cheese came from a shake bottle, which is okay for this one. So I'm just going to mix that up with my fingers like that. I'm going to take the asparagus, shake off the excess Carbalose flour, dip it into the egg mixture. Use a basting brush, get it all over, get it right in there. Nice. Into the mixture. Yeah. Looks good. I'm going to pull this out. Set this asparagus right here. And I'll dip the other one. I just lay that in there like that. I'm going to put this back in. I've set it. This one only goes down to 330 degrees, so I'm going to go in at 330 degrees, 12 to 15 minutes, until the bacon's cooked and it's nice and crispy and crispy. The air fryer does a fantastic job on the asparagus and the bacon, and it's nice and crispy. And they kind of glued together here. Wow, look at that. I'll probably grill up some sort of meat to go with this today. I've got my spicy aioli sauce. You can cook this in the grill if you like, indirect. Heat on this side, heat on this side, nothing in the center. About the 325, 330 mark. Or you can do it in the oven. But look at that. I'll serve that with this nice spicy aioli. That's bacon wrapped, crispy, air fryer asparagus. Thanks for watching.